Okay, here is the program that we have developed in our last tutorial that reads a text file containing name and salary of some person and displays the result here in the output console. You can see the output here is the formatted string containing the name and the salary information, and the text file was names.txt that contains the name and the salary of each person in each line separated with comma. We learned how to read this kind of information into our program, and we use this character array in order to hold the name and this salary variable in order to hold the salary. We used fscanf function in order to scan different formatted data. Now we need to know how to write different formatted data into a text file. For that purpose we can use fprintf. The printf function writes the formatted data into the output console. fprintf can be used to write formatted data into a text file. So for that we need to create a file pointer, and I am giving the name fpr, the name for the file pointer, and we need to open a file with write mode. Let me just copy the content from here. Okay, now here the name of the file that we are going to create is say reports.txt. I'm sorry, reports.txt, and it should be in write mode because we are supposed to write the formatted string into that file. So after scanning, we were printing into the output console. Now I am using the fprintf in order to print the string into the reports.txt. The first parameter is the file pointer, and the rest of the thing is just same as printf function call. So I can just go ahead and copy this from the previous printf call. So in this case, this line is going to be printed into the file that is pointed by this file pointer. So fprintf syntax is pretty straightforward, just alike with printf, only we need the file pointer as the first parameter where the formatted string is going to be written. Now if I go ahead and run this program, the function fscanf is going to scan from names.txt, and the formatted string is going to be written into the console by this printf, and as well as the same thing is going to be written into the file reports.txt. Now I'm just opening the Finder side by side, and you can see that the file reports.txt is going to be created there as soon as the program is finished. So here's the reports.txt that is created, and you can see that the strings are written into the console as well, and they are expected to be here in the reports.txt as well. Here are the strings in the reports.txt. You can see that the fprintf function has written the same thing as the printf did. So this is how we write formatted string into a text file using fprintf. Here is a simple mistake in the program. That's actually the side effect of copy paste. This file pointer should be fpr instead of fp, because we need to check this file pointer whether this is null or not. So that's all for now. In the next tutorial I'm going to show you another example that scans different formatted data from files and writes it in some formatted way into another text file. Thank you.